All Trails rated this trail as hard, but after doing it, I'd say that was generous. This hike felt extreme. It's an unmarked rocky trail with non-stop elevation to the top. What I thought would be a moderate 2-hour hike turned into a 4-hour test of patience, focus, and pacing from start to finish. I almost turned back.
I'm not going any further.
But I didn't. Let me show you what it took to reach the top of Triangle Mountain. We started late in the afternoon, and from the beginning, the incline was intense. The trail was unmarked, and loose dirt and rocks just pointed upwards. I had my GoPro mounted for POV and my 360 cam recording wide shots from my pack. It was quiet and honestly, oh so beautiful. But I could already feel that this was going to be a challenge. The trail just kept climbing. At some points it felt like I was barely moving. I had to stop often, not because of lack of will, but because the terrain demanded it.
I am only halfway there and I'm already tired. This one is a hard one. You can see the Rocky Mountain National Park over there. This is pretty. All these flowers, it's like a meadow.
It's not about you.
White flowers, yellow flowers everywhere.
Leave them be, good or bad. Please don't assume. Mixing us a meaning.
Holy shit, it's hard.
Safe from trade.
That's all. A little bit left. I tried.
The estimate said it would take an hour to get to the top, but by the 90-minute mark, we weren't even close.
So much elevation. It's so hard. Okay. Oh, almost fell. I did the limbo. Yeah.
Weird. And then fire very force there, just only burn shit. Well, like trail clear,
Taking a break. We're almost there. Bro. This sucks. This view doesn't though. This is hard.
There was a point where I stopped and seriously thought about turning around. My energy was low and every corner looked the same, just more uphill.
Honestly, I've almost called it quits like 4 times now because this is really challenging.
I'm almost there.
Almost cried because I'm like, I can't do this, but I need to push myself to keep doing it, but not hurt myself, so I need to take breaks, like I'm doing now. Sitting down, collecting myself, getting my heart rate down, drinking some water. There's like a really pretty view over there, but I just need to take my time to get to it. But also, this mountain, all trails, you lied. And I'm a little upset about it. You can see over there, I have a pretty view. But I gotta get up there. You know, the worst part about this trail is every corner is really pretty. But every time you think you're getting to the top of this trail, you're not. It's literally all that's still to go.
But I'd already come this far, so I gave myself a real break, took a few deep breaths, and decided to keep going. I didn't hike this long, 2.5 hours, just to turn back before the top. For the last stretch, I stopped trying to push. I went slow, found my rhythm, and focused on each step. My goal wasn't speed, it was safety and just getting to the top without hurting myself. The last 10-minute stretch felt like a full hour. But when the trail finally reached the rocks, I walked up and it was all worth it. At the top, everything went quiet. The sun started to set beyond the peaks and the views opened wide. No crowds, no signs, just stillness.
We made it.
This trail gave me exactly what I needed. Time to slow down and push through something really difficult. It reminded me that moving at your own pace is enough, even if your husband has to wait for you constantly.
We're going down now, and sun is gone past the mountains. We've got almost a 2-mile descent straight down this rocky trail.
Going down wasn't easy either. My legs were cramping and the sun had fully set. We had our headlamps and flashlight and took every step with caution. I was tired but focused. The trail was not something we could rush, and I'm so glad we made it out there safely. Looking back, this trail taught me a few important lessons. 1, fuel up with a hearty meal before hiking. 2, take longer breaks when you need them. Listen to your body. And 3, you don't have to be the fastest or the strongest to reach the summit. You just have to keep going at your own pace. Hiking is helping me build confidence outdoors, one trail at a time. Thanks for joining me on this one. Let me know in the comments if there's any trail that's pushed you too. And I'll see you next time on Camp Voyage.